镜头来英国伦敦海洋水族馆，即马要开始进行一年一届的大点名，佮要替水族馆内底生物做健康检查，摒扫环境。也这间水族馆内底生物有6000多种，超过3万只，要甲因点名，真正是一项大工程。
英国伦敦水族馆的工作人员，因了解三脚牛仔金上，一只一只水互清楚，还有几只米伫石冷内底。除了野米笑牛海堤长度，当鲨鱼收过的时阵，赶紧得咧牛伊的分尸肠。2025年1月9日，英国上大规模伦敦海洋生物水族馆下底11间，拢总要开始大清点。除了算数量，还阁爱加6000多种，差不多3万只的水底生物做身体的检查，还阁有摒扫因的环境，工程是真大。
We need to know how many individuals that we have on site, particularly as some of our animals are involved in various breeding programs. So particularly if we have any new arrivals, we want to keep that database up to date, which can then potentially be shared with other sites.
除了甲徛鹅牛分尸肠，还阁爱甲磅体重。工作人员摕鱼仔甲蛇，互伊徛好好势。因若即只牛是一直想要亮开，工作人员为着要赶紧完成清点的工作。水族馆是动员济骹手，还佫有志工，希望甲对遮的水底生物的干扰降到上低。
We always carry out a brief before we conduct any of the counts or getting in the tanks to carry out any of the cleans. We want to sort of reduce stress as much as possible with our animals.
除了外观，水族馆内底玻璃嘛爱切互清气。因若这水族馆内底上界大只的动物之一海豹，平均的体重是70公斤。不过，为着要保持体温会当冻过寒冬，一般因会阁肥15公斤。
We have had some new arrivals when we've been counting, so some of our freshwater species, those numbers have increased where they've been breeding really well in their habitats, which is really nice.
其实水族馆内底体重上重的，就是石龟，有超过170公斤，伊的躯壳嘛爱好好甲切互清气。工作人员讲，就要甲遮个水底生物的情形甲数量捕获清楚，才有法度互因上好的照顾，嘛互来遮行大游客有上介好的体验。公司新闻，新乐陪朋友。